Welcome to Ellie the Elephant's bakery, where cakes are colorful and magic is always in the air. Today, Ellie's baking a rainbow cake with colors from red to violet. Let's join the fun.
First comes red sweet strawberries inside. Let's mix them in and take a ride. Next is orange with carrot so sweet into the bowl for a colorful treat. Yellow bananas, mushy and bright. Mix it all up, feels just right. Green kiwi, juicy and cool, let's stir it in, that's the rule. Blueberries popping, what a sound! Blue batter spinning round and round. Grapes and plums so purple and bright, they make our cake a lovely sight.
Wow, look at that. Ellie's rainbow cake is ready. 7 tasty layers of color. Can you name them all?
Red, orange, yellow too, green and blue and purple hue. Ellie's cake is done today. Let's sing and dance, hip hip hooray! Colors bright and baking fun. Rainbow magic for everyone.
Thanks for baking with Ellie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more colorful adventures.